Now, potentially explosive development in the investigation into what some are calling inhumane conditions inside Cuyahoga County's jail.
Today, a county judge alerted his colleagues of a lawsuit, one that asks federal courts to take over the jail. 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll has a copy of the judge's letter, and Scott's in the newsroom with more. Scott.
Yeah, Rob, the letter from presiding Judge John Russo comes a week after that damning report from U.S. Marshals. Today, a former inmate says he lived through many of the same problems found by those inspectors. Now he hopes that possible federal lawsuit means change behind bars. Kane Anderson admits jail shouldn't be, in his words, fun and games, but
we're supposed to be innocent and proven guilty. You understand? It's just, that's not how we're treated in there.
Anderson's been to Cuyahoga County Jail twice in the last 3 months. He's awaiting trial on assault and weapons charges. His story of conditions behind bars mirrors that of what a U.S. Marshals review found. Overcrowding, forced to sleep on the floor, all-day lockdowns because of a shortage of guards, and insect infestations.
And and I'm sleeping on the floor, right by the cracks of the wall. So what if I would've got bit and stuff? Like, it's just unsanitary.
Things so bad, he said, many inmates were pushed to their breaking points.
And winded up, screaming, shaking the doors. There's people, talking about, oh man, I'm gonna kill myself, I can't deal with this. A dude actually hung himself, jumped off the balcony a little bit, but CL saved him and grabbed his legs.
In a letter to his fellow judges today, presiding Judge John Russo wrote, "Recently I've become aware of a lawsuit that will be filed in federal court regarding the county jail. I am told they will be asking for the federal court to take over control of the jail." Russo then asked his colleagues to review the number of defendants each judge has sitting in jail awaiting trial or sentencing. Russo didn't mention who was planning the lawsuit, but in a statement late today, law firm Friedman and Gilbert said they are investigating what it called human rights violations at the jail and considering all options to force the county to improve conditions, including through a federal civil rights lawsuit.
You can't treat us like we're animals.
Anderson says a change in conditions, however it comes, can't happen soon enough.
You already know you want to improve yourself, and then you're surrounding yourself by stuff you're trying to escape your whole time. You don't want to be around negativity, but now you're stuck in all negativity. You see what I'm saying?
A county spokeswoman told me she hadn't seen a copy of the judge's letter yet, and a spokesperson for the U.S. Department of Justice, which investigates civil rights complaints, wouldn't comment on whether or not the feds were already looking into conditions at the county jail. Live in the newsroom, I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knoll.